Hello, I'm Krishnan and I'm presenting our project for 10Pi Hacks 2021, Time Extension. Our inspiration for Time Extension was mainly how distracting the web can be. I know that everyone at some point in their life have opened their web browser to do something productive, but have ended up being extremely unproductive and wasting their time. That all ends with Time Extension. Time Extension is a set of 3 browser extensions, written for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. It manages all the sites you visit and categorizes them as either productive, unproductive, or unknown. For example, being on Google Docs is categorized as productive, and being on social media is unproductive. If you are on YouTube, Time Extension would record that as unknown, since YouTube can be used for both unproductive reasons like watching funny videos, and productive reasons like watching a coding tutorial. Finally, this data is displayed in a nice pie chart visible at the click of an icon. We built Time Extension in 3 major steps. First, we had to log the domain of the current tab the user is on. We did this every minute using a service worker. Then, we sorted this data to give it a category, and saved it on the user's account. For example, the data from the Chrome extension would sync to your Google account, just like your passwords or form autofill. This means your Time Extension data can sync between all your devices, providing one place to view all your online activity. Finally, the last step was to display this data using a chart in the extension's pop-up window. We used chart.js for this. One of our major challenges was figuring out all the permissions our extensions needed in order to work properly. Plus, some browser extensions blocked external scripts, which made it even more confusing. A major accomplishment was finishing 3 entire browser extensions within the span of a day and a half. We're also extremely proud of our sorting algorithm, which sorts domains very accurately. None of us had prior experience with making browser extensions, so the whole project was a first attempt. Each of us took on one browser and learned the whole thing from scratch in order to make a fully functional extension. In the future, we are planning to add date and time functionality. This will allow us to filter the domains based on how recent they are, and this can update the pie chart accordingly. We're also hoping to publish this extension to web stores like the Chrome Web Store in order to make it more accessible. Finally, we're thinking of developing another version of Time Extension for other popular browsers like Opera. Now, a demo of our extension. As you can see, I have the Chrome extension installed. If I open it, I can see that I've spent 15 minutes productively, 1 minute unproductively, and 3 minutes on an unknown site. The 15 productive minutes are from working on this presentation, the 1 unproductive minute is from checking Discord, and the 3 minutes on an unknown site are from updating the project on DevPost. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Now get to managing your time with Time Extension.